Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to pull text out of images in OneNote. This is incredibly useful when you need to extract text from screenshots, photos of documents, or any image containing text that you want to edit or repurpose. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Onenote app on your device. Once it launches, navigate to and load the notebook you're working with. This is the notebook that contains the image from which you want to extract text. Take a moment to let everything load properly, ensuring all your pages and content are visible and ready to work with. Once your notebook has fully loaded, the process to pull text out of images is actually pretty straightforward. Browse through your notebook pages and locate the specific page that contains the image with the text you wish to extract. This could be a scanned document, a photo of a whiteboard, or any image that has readable text in it. When you've found the right page and identified your target image, it's time to perform the extraction. Simply right-click directly on the image. A context menu will appear with several options. Look for the option that says Copy Text from Picture and click on it. What happens next is quite clever. OneNote uses its built-in optical character recognition technology to scan the image, identify all the readable text within it, and automatically copy that text directly to your clipboard. The entire process happens almost instantly, so you won't need to wait long. Now that the text has been captured and stored on your clipboard, you can paste it anywhere you'd like within your notebook. Simply click on any part of your notebook page where you want the extracted text to appear, then paste it by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard, or you can right-click and select Paste from the menu. The text that was previously locked inside the image will now appear as editable text on your page, ready for you to format, edit, or use however you need. And there you have it. You've successfully pulled text out of an image in OneNote, turning static visual content into editable, searchable text. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.